Okay, 2019 Chevy. I'm gonna go around and point out any of the dents or scratches that I see. Let's do some close up on the tires. I don't really see, oh, there's a scratch. Oh, is that a scratch? Yeah. So there's some red underneath. So maybe it was at one time red, because if you see, there's a little red. But you can't see it from far, you have to get really close. That looks a little bit rusty. I mean, it's a tow package, so that's normal. But let's see if there's any red under here. See anything? All right, let's check out the inside. The rearview mirror is a camera. Driver 3, okay. When you put it into drive, your speed, I don't know if you can see it on the windshield. Yeah, you can't see it on the windshield. It's kind of flickering, but how fast you go shows up on the windshield as you drive, and it doesn't flicker like it is in my camera. It does not come with the car seat. That's you'll have to buy separately. Sunroof. So it's running. Let's go over and hear the motor. I'll pop the hood. I can do it with one hand. So really the damage that I see is that it was probably, where is it? It's not over there. Under here. So that it was probably red. And it's only on the undercarriage that there's the red. All out here, you don't see any of that. Like there's a scratch right there, and there's not like red underneath or anything. So I can't do a driving video because I don't want to hold the camera and drive, because I drive like an old lady and it would scare me. So when I get another person, I can do that.